Aloe vera has been used for various skin conditions and in the cosmetic industry for a long time. This is one natural product that you can use on any skin type, be it oily, dry or normal. Aloe vera is also effective in dealing with psoriasis, which is a dry skin condition. It possesses antimicrobial capabilities and has many medicinal uses to treat constipation, ulcers and range of skin conditions and wounds. Let's now evaluate why aloe vera is good for dry skin and how to use it for best results. And for that, let's first understand how our skin becomes dry. Then it will be easy to understand how aloe vera helps dry skin. Normal healthy skin is layered in natural lipids that moisturizes the skin naturally to keep it soft and supple. When the fatty protective lipids are stripped away due to environmental harshness and other skin exposures, the unprotected skin becomes dry skin. The patches of dry skin are more common on your arms, hands, lower legs and abdomen. In addition to that, certain medical conditions such as diabetes, hypothyroidism, malnutrition, eczema and psoriasis also are responsible for dry skin. Now, let's understand how aloe vera treats your dry skin. Aloe vera gel moisturizes your dry skin. It is 90% water and also contains antioxidants, vitamins, minerals and enzymes. All these are nourishing elements that provide a deep moisturizing effect. Interestingly, although the aloe vera gel looks sticky, it moisturizes your skin without leaving any greasy feeling. Aloe vera provides soothing and calming effect on severely affected dry skin too. Aloe vera gel can also moisturize thick patches of dry skin caused by psoriasis and soothes and cools them to reduce itching. Application is simple. You can apply aloe vera gel directly on your dry skin with your fingers. If you have an aloe vera plant in a pot at home, then you can extract fresh gel from a leaf. You can store the extracted gel in the refrigerator before use for several days. Otherwise, you can buy additive-free aloe gel from online. Links are given in the description box for ready reference. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.